Welcome back, YouTube and pure structure traders. Today's lesson is going to be on the top 3 entry rules for trading. Now, I understand the development of a trading strategy can be a complex process for some, and for others it can be a simple process. But where most traders think they struggle is usually the entry idea. But what they fail to realize is that it has more to do with not recognizing the type of trader they are. Some entry ideas may be as simple as going long after a candle close, or as complex as waiting for a third retracement in the Elliott wave cycle that hits the 61.8 level of a Fibonacci retracement, holding under a 5-day volume profile and the R1 with the 50-day moving average overpriced, indicating to the trader that a bearish move may be coming into play. For many, the trade entry idea comes from the study of charts after they identify reoccurring up or down movement that seems to happen after a certain chart setup. Some traders use price action to find entries, while others prefer adding indicators. Here at Pure Structure Trading, we prefer to keep the process as simple as possible using just pure price action and market structure. Now in today's lesson, I'm going to give to you guys the top 3 entry rules that will not only change the way you see markets, but will help you become more consistent and effective when you enter your trades. So with that, guys, let's go ahead and hop into it. Entry rule number 1. Know what type of trader you are and what you are comfortable with. Before you enter the market, make sure your process and plan fits you as a trader. Are you aggressive or conservative? Do you like to be in and out of the market in the span of minutes, always looking for your next best trade? Or do you like to take a trade and hold the position for longer periods of time? Do you like to see one balance of support, or do you like to see 2? As a mentor, too often I see traders trying to take on someone else's strategy, not recognizing that strategy was built around the trader's personal style of trading. What may work for them won't always work for you. Develop an understanding of what style of trading fits your personality before you even enter into a trade. Entry rule number 2. Know your exit before you enter. There are at least 2 possible exits for every trade. The first possible exit deals with where your stop loss is. Mental stops don't count. Make sure to have your stop loss written down. The second possible exit deals with your profit target. Make sure to have your profit target written down, and if you have multiple positions, make sure once the first profit target is hit, you move the rest of the position to at minimum break even. Last but not least, entry rule number 3. Make sure your entry confirmations are not subject to change while trading, but instead are subject to reevaluate when the market is closed. Your system should be complicated enough to be effective, but also simple enough to be able to make a snap decision. If you have 20 conditions that must be met before you enter, and many of those conditions are subjective, you may find it difficult, if not impossible, to make trades. So make sure to keep that process as simple as possible and to have excellent records, so when you win the trade, you can see why and how. If you can keep excellent records of your trades, you can learn to identify some of the main pain points in trading. What's working and what's not working. Are you being too aggressive, or are you being too conservative? Are you trading with the trend and momentum, or are you trading against the trend and momentum? And what trades are resulting in more wins than losses? Take these top 3 entry rules, put them up in front of you, and apply them to your trading on the daily, and I guarantee you guys will start to see effective and consistent results in your trading. Remember, guys, trading has more to do with how you as a trader and as a person respond to the market when you enter a trade and when you exit it. So make sure you understand what type of trader you are and what fits you as far as trading style. You guys take care. You guys have a great night. Be sure to trade well. Bye, guys.